Welcome, my name is UMIDIGI X, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings. From here you want to scroll all the way down. So as you can see, I'm all the way down. Choose system and then tap on reset options, where you will find erase all data factory reset option. Now from here, it will give you a message that performing this will remove things like your Google accounts, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. Now, if there's anything on that phone that you would like to keep, primarily things like music or photos, well, then you might want to back up your device to, for instance, some kind of other storage. If you do not, then all that data will be lost and unrecoverable. So once you have already made a backup or you simply don't want to, select reset phone and erase everything, and the process will begin. Now, this is going to take about a minute or so, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished. You can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.